Welcome back to my channel. It's definitely been a minute. Today I'm doing a low ponytail with the curl cream from Annabelle's. I'm working it all in on the section in my hair that's in the back. I am brushing and smoothing, and I'm going to put this back section into a ponytail, and then I'm going to start working with the front sections that I have, and I'm going to moisturize those sections in the front one at a time. And then I'm going to be brushing and smoothing just to get the hair to lay down as flat as possible. So that's what I'm doing here, smoothing and brushing, and I'm going to combine it into a ponytail that I already have in the back. Now working with the other section, I'm going to be moisturizing this section as well, just to get it pliable so that I can begin to smooth it down and push it to the back of my head as well so that my ponytail can be flat as possible. So I'm going to begin brushing in that nice cream that I applied. So that's what I'm doing here, and then I'm going to combine everything together in the back into one ponytail holder. I'm going to end up taking everything out so that I can brush and combine everything together and then reapply my ponytail. So now that everything is out, I'm going back over all of the sections and just brushing and smoothing everything together to get one nice low ponytail. I'm applying the ponytail holder now. And now I'm going to be going back over my hair, adding any more cream that I may need, and brushing and smoothing some more as well, just to make sure everything is flat. I'm not using gel like I did it in my other tutorial for my low sleek bun. I don't use any gel, so I use a nice cream. And in order to get everything nice and flat, you need to add a lot of cream and brush as well. So that is what I'm doing here, just brushing everything nicely. I'm just checking out the ponytail now to make sure everything looks good to me. And it didn't, so I'm adding more cream and brushing some more. So now everything looks pretty good to me. So I'm going to take my scarf and I'm going to apply this to my head and tie this on nice and tightly. And then I am going to be leaving this scarf on for 10 minutes. And then I'm going to come back. So I'm back and I'm taking off my scarf to reveal these nice flat results that I got with my ponytail by using Annabelle's Perfect Blend Cream. That's all for this quick short video. I hope that you guys enjoyed it. Make sure you follow me on Instagram at Find a Curl.